Okay, hello everybody. So welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Nepal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass MAC addresses in the Wi-Fi network. So in this video, so if you know the password of the Wi-Fi, let's assume I have one internet connection that is Bharati_Wi-Fi. So this is this Wi-Fi to connect to this network. So I have my MAC addresses. MAC address means the 16 digit, which is consist of hexadecimal. So that every device has one MAC address. I hope you know. So that MAC address should be registered in the network. Yeah, I don't have any MAC addresses. This device, I have this device, and this device MAC address has not been registered in that system yet. So I'm going to bypass this network and connect to the network. So and then I'm going to add my MAC address of this device in the network. So I'm going to show you in step by step how you can do that. Okay, before that you have to install airgeddon, AIRGEDDON, airgeddon from the GitHub. You can simply easily install that. I have already shown video in that as well, so you can check that as well. And after the installing of airgeddon, so let's open airgeddon. So I'm going to show you step by step. After from airgeddon, we will know the MAC addresses of the connected devices, the device which is connected to this network. Their MAC address we're gonna find, and after that we're gonna keep that MAC address as that MAC address as this system MAC address. So I'm going to show you individually step by step. So without delay, let's get started. So going to penetration testing. After this Wi-Fi testing, then here is airgeddon. Yeah. So the simple process is I'm going to take the MAC addresses of the devices which is connected to that network, and I'm going to copy and put that MAC addresses as my MAC addresses, and I'm going to connect to the system. So let's get started. Just put enter and the airgeddon, then just again put the enter. So after that you will see two options, that is Ethereum, sorry not Ethereum, Ethernet or some wireless network. Yeah, so I'm going to choose option 2, that WLAN 2. So after that, one of the things we should not forget is 2.2, that is put interface in the monitor mode. Yeah, here you can see in the option number 2 we have to put the system in the monitor mode. Yeah, so I'm going to put 2. So setting the interface in the monitor mode, click enter. Then we're gonna choose for handshake. While doing handshake, we will get to know with the MAC addresses of the connected devices. So again, I'm going to choose option 6, capture handshake. Again, I'm going to put enter. So here in this station, yeah, here you will see the different network in your area. So I'm going to stop this. So you will see different network. That is in number 1. You will see the highest power network. That means it has good connection to your network, to your device. So that is this device, that is Bharati_Wi-Fi. So I'm going to choose this network. Enter. Again, going to put enter. Then I'm going to choose an option. You can choose any option, but for now I'm going to choose option 1, that is the so again put 10 to 100. You can choose any value. So again putting enter. You will see this station. In station you can see 2 network connected to the system. Yeah, so 2 network. So you have to copy any of this any of the MAC addresses, that is the MAC addresses of the devices which is connected to this network. So we can copy this. I had already copied. I'm going to close this. Yeah, I had it's enough. So we're just gonna know with MAC addresses. So that means be patient. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let's put enter, and now we're gonna close. Yeah, so return back. I'm going to back because we have to close the network interface we had created. Yeah, so you mistakenly randomly close this. If you directly close this, then your Wi-Fi not gonna be open because the system is in monitor mode. So you have to close the monitor mode, or if you don't know the command to close the monitor mode, then you can restart the system as well. I'm going to back again. So I'm exiting the script. Yeah, so you will see the option to preserve monitor mode or not. You have to choose no to close the monitor mode. So after this, you will going to open the Wi-Fi. Yeah? Now your Wi-Fi network will be shown. So now we are going to connect to this system, Bharati_Wi-Fi. So this is not going to connect. Yeah? So what we should do is left click here. So you choose edit connection. After edit connection, just the network that is you are going to connect. Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go to setting, and you will see here clone MAC addresses. Yeah, just copy the MAC addresses you have copied. Just paste it here, and then just do it save. So in the Linux system, you can do same thing. And just now just close the Wi-Fi. Enable the Wi-Fi. Just close the Wi-Fi again. Reopen the Wi-Fi. Then see the magic. Yeah, just wait and see the magic. Oh, and now look, finally connected. Okay, great, that's great. So now one more thing I am going to say is you can also add your MAC address to the system, and you can see, and then I'm going to choose the device router IP addresses. You can also choose that. I'm going to put my interface. Then I'm going to go to the wireless. Yeah, I'm going to go to the access control. You can see the 4 MAC addresses here. Yeah, so you can copy down for the future use as well, and you can also put your MAC addresses here, and you can just simply add. Then it's over. You had successfully bypassed, and you are also register your MAC address in that network, so that you can easily access other devices as well as access in the future, and you can choose the screenshot for the future use. That's all for today. If you want to see the password, change the password, go to the security. Yeah, and so okay, that's all. So thank you all for watching. That's all for today. So I hope this video is useful. If this video is please useful, then you can just comment in the comment section, just write thank you or something else. So that's all for today. If you have encountered any issues, then you can let me know. If you have not, let me know through the comment section, and if you had not subscribed to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe now. That's all for today. Bye bye, have a good day.